Hello everyone, start off by combing the hair into place. Then, taking a small portion of the center, add a rubber band to it. Take two sections from either side and add a rubber band to it. Continue to do the same until you reach the base and then begin to braid the hair. Next, take a small section of the hair from the front and braid this entire section. Take another section right underneath it and then another one right underneath that section. Tie it all together in a ponytail and then braid the bottom of the hair in a fishtail braid. Roll the braid upwards. Next, start off by taking a small section of the hair off the center. Make two braids out of this. Then, taking the comb, make a small section on the side. Add multiple rubber bands on the side as you can see. Tie it up at the bottom. Divide the hair into 5 sections and make 5 ponytails out of it. Make 2 braids out of each of these ponytails and then join them at the opposite end as such. Braid the bottom and then roll the hair up. Using the comb, take a small section of the hair from the front. Make a braid out of it. Take another section right underneath it, tie a rubber band to it. Repeat this one more time. Tie a braid at the bottom and roll the hair up. Start off by taking a small section of the hair off the front. Add a ponytail to it. Make a small braid out of it and then tie it up in the middle. Add some thread at the bottom and using the thread as a section, make a braid out of it as such. Make 3 braids that look like that. For our next hairdo, take a small section of the hair off the top of the head. Tie a rubber band to it and then braid the hair. Roll it up into a bun. Now, taking the bottom section of the hair, take a small section off the left and the right, make 2 braids, lift it up. Take a small section from the front of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it. Do the same right underneath it and then one more time. Now, braid the hair. Thank you for watching.